Alright guys, welcome back to the channel and to the garden. Today's video, just a brief video, just going to be taking a look at the Buddula. So this is your butterfly bush or butterfly tree. One of the kind of commonly grown ones here in the UK. Lovely kind of flowers. See if I can put a couple on screen. Just show you here. So we're just taking a look here, guys. This is one of my Buddulas. This one is approximately about 3-4 years old now. You can just see it has a decent sized trunk on that one. These do seem to grow very quickly for me here, and we do have another one which I will just come out and show you, which is a much older one. Let's see if I can come back and show you. So we've got this one that goes all the way up here. That one's approximately about 25 foot high now. But the purpose of today's video, guys, is actually in regard to some of the leaves. Now, I don't know if you may have had anything similar like this on your leaves, kind of a discoloration or kind of a crinkliness on the leaves here. I'm going to just show you another one just over here. Taking a bit of damage as well. And you can just see if I can get it to zoom correctly here on the actual leaf bud and the cone there. You see it's very, very damaged. Now, what's causing this is something slightly different than you may think. I think a lot of people may just assume sort of a drier spring this year, one of the driest on record, could be causing them to, have discolorations or problems with the leaves. But upon further research here, it does appear that this is actually down to something called the melon cotton aphid. Now, the RHS at the moment does appear to be doing some research on this one. It appears the first kind of cases of this showing up were in 2023, which I believe, if I'm correct, there was only a handful, about 50 cases. 2024, there's been about 60 plus cases, and appears, from what I can see from doing research, this is much more of a widespread thing than is, kind of understood by the RHS. So with that said, guys, what is causing this problem? Now, from my research and everything else, it does appear it's a melon cotton aphid that is kind of attacking these on the kind of newer growth and causing these to come out with some discolored leaves, leaf damage, and things like that. Now, with that said, guys, I know that the RHS is presently doing a bit of research on this, so you're welcome to go onto the RHS website, submit any information you have if you're getting this in your garden. Be really interested to know, guys. Let me know in the comments if you had something similar on your Buddula this year. It does appear to be primarily affecting Buddulas as opposed to other plants, but I have seen it can spread as well. So again, this one here is due to the melon cotton aphid. And again, it is causing problems. Now, it should kind of grow out from this, but it is something that, again, we're seeing becoming a lot more common in the UK. So something to definitely keep an eye out in the spring, and control it, similar with, similar to any sort of aphid infestation on that side. But with that said, as mentioned, guys, very short video today. Just wanted to put that out there, that if you are seeing some damage on your leaves like this, it is most likely and most probably down to the melon cotton aphid causing this here. Does appear again to be a more common problem, I think, than has been expected. But with that said, guys, if you haven't checked out the friends of the channel, be in the comment section below. And of course, if you're not part of this channel, certainly feel free to join our amazing community. And with that said, of course, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.